Is Telegram taking up too much space on your phone and you don't know why? It's because of the cache, temporary files the app saves to make everything load faster. But what if I told you that you can easily delete those files and free up some space? In this video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily clear the Telegram app cache on iPhone and Android without losing any messages or important data. Let's get started. First, find and open your Telegram app. Once you've done that, the next step is to tap the gear icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to the Settings page. In Settings, you'll see a bunch of options. Scroll down until you find Data and Storage. Then tap on it. Now, at the top of this section, you'll see an option called Storage Usage. Tap on it. Here you'll see a small graph showing how much memory different types of files are using. But none of these files are important to us right now, because they can slow down the app and take up a lot of storage. Tap the Clear Entire Cache button to quickly and easily delete them and free up space on your phone. Then tap Clear Entire Cache once more to confirm. And that's it. The cache will be cleared and Telegram will run faster and more efficiently. That's all for this short video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please leave a like, share the video, and subscribe to my channel, Smart Assistant. Thank you very much for watching and see you very soon.